3, 2, 1.
Got a blast!
To the stars, go buy candy bars, ride to
Jeez, oh Mike.
knack for invention. With a superpowered mind, a mechanical canine. He rescues the day from sure destruction. This is the
Carl Wheezer needs a breather. Went back in time and he said Julius Caesar. Yeah, Carl Wheezer is the ultimate deceiver. In Jimmy's mom, he is a believer. Sent on my shots, yeah, he was the receiver. Ops found out and I got a misdemeanor. They sent me a note that said they would lock me in a freezer. Sweating so bad, felt like I caught a fever. Starting to hallucinate, became a daydreamer. They don't want to die today, so I became a leader. Took a couple shots, then I took down Wheezer. Covered it up and said he had gotten yellow fever. Autopsy came in and said he had a seizure. Took a vacation and all I felt was leisure. I'm so happy that I downed a mouth breather.
Skill issue.
No more Carl Wheezer.
Carl Wheezer, 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 Carl Wheezer.
Hit him with the 808, feeling good, I'm feeling great. I don't understand the hate for people who are straight. Carl Wheezer working out, he trying to lift a weight. Sweet, he could only lift a 10-pound plate. Need some motivation, well then watch entertain. I'll give you a croissant if you go inside your crate. So ugly you can't take, Jimmy's mom on a date.
Jimmy gets Cindy, she gets Libby, and you know what I get?
Well, you just got laid. Pulled the pin and I threw the grenade. Carl Wheezer on the runway, he slayed. Pulled up on a Christian crusade. Carl Wheezer on his knees, he prayed. Carl Wheezer, yeah, he just got outplayed. Center attack, not an air raid. Pretended to be his friend in the 6th grade. Made fun of him for how much he weighed. Carl Wheezer, he felt so betrayed. I am the rank of lieutenant junior grade. Down in Wheezer's grave, he laid. Let's go.
Carl Wheezer, 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 Carl Wheezer.
Jeez, on the mic.